into the bend, through the bend, and out of the bend. The bike feels much more stable. This feels so good. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Full Send Throttles. My name is Vanden. So today got a very different kind of episode. I'm taking the R6 out on its first ride with a new suspension setup. So remember the very first episode I said I don't feel comfortable in the bends with the bike, and then it got even worse on the straights. It was always like high revs. It was very twitchy. So David and Kim from Kane Industries invited me down to take advantage of their suspension special that they're going, and it's made a world of difference. So it's a very basic setup that we've got, a very stiff setup, and I wanted to actually keep it like that for now, but moving forward we'll be doing some more with regards to the suspension. So initially I was gonna go around Houtpay Pass. I went around Houtpay Pass, but it was just too busy. So I went over Chapmans Peak, and it's nice bends, it's nice dippy bends. So unfortunately I didn't get to film them working on the bike, but I will be working some more with them soon. So you will meet the faces behind Kane Industries very, very soon. So let's go ride, man. So Houtpay Pass was a little bit too busy to get some nice footage. So I'm coming over what is called Chapmans Peak, better known as Chappies. Also got some nice bends. Hoping it's not gonna be too busy, so we can get some good footage. Look at these views, man. So into the bend, through the bend, and out of the bend. The bike feels much more stable, much more predictable as well. Like before, it was just all over the place. You can't put it in properly because it just feels like it wants to do its own thing. You come out of the bend, the front wants to do one thing, the back wants to do another thing, and now you like just know what is gonna happen. So I'm super chuffed. Feels so lekker to be able to ride without any hassles again. With that being said, I need to brush up on my skills. I was riding so reserved for so long, I don't even know how to ride hard in a bend anymore. But that's okay, we try. That's just a checkpoint. Okay, just a little checkpoint over there. So let's go. The views from here, guys, yeah, it is super nice. Jeez. Crazy does this look, man? road, but I don't want some of that. Now before I did the suspension with David, I was doing like, yeah, silly slow speeds through here, just because at such tight bends the bike didn't know. Woo! Bike didn't know where it wanted to be. I can actually enjoy it. Oh, it's a little bit windy here though. Really know these bends. This feels so good. Right guys, so we're going to cut the video here. So this was just a demonstration of how much better the bike handles through the bends. Top speed as well, it runs much better now. There was a lot of play on the steering, so when I approached like high revs, the bike would be doing this throughout every gear. First gear I couldn't even open up. Now at least I can open up, and it's lekker man, it's much better. So if you do have any issues, you know where to go. David Carr from Kane Industries, a lekker guy, and what I really like is that he teaches you as well. He will say this is what I'm doing and this is why I'm doing it, this is the effect that it has. So super lekker. If you did enjoy today's video guys, give me a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of this sort of style, this solo runs, and I will take you through some more mountain passes and all sorts of routes. So let me know. Until next time guys, ride safe. Cheers.